Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to get started on Aquila. So first we're gonna create a character. I call him Test Preview. As you can see here, you can also like adjust the faces. These are the default faces, like you know them, like they're always just these three. But on the haircuts and the hair color, you can already start doing basic stuff within the character creator, as you can see here. Alright, so let's just go with that. It doesn't really matter for this character. And then we're gonna log in, hop into Rumen. Alright, so once we landed on the server, we have these items in the inventory. This is a key that allows you to open a locked treasure chest. These are spread all around easier. And if you approach one of these, you will be able to use these keys in order to get like special stuff such as charms, extenders, all that kind of shit. And depending on what kind of key you use, there's a third type of key that you can find at every NPC here. Merchant, that would be the golden key. And depending on whatever key you use, you will get different rewards. From bronze key giving you the lowest rewards, silver keys like the mid to high, and gold keys like, yeah, very much high, but also a little bit of mid. So first we can go here to the marketplace. There you can see every NPC is placed, and you start with 20 silvers. So you should be able to get a full set of everything you get here, as long as you don't buy like, I don't know, 3 suits to try out how they look, cause yeah. If you do, in case, just go and clear the first quest, as it gives you 15 silver in reward. Alright. So this just basic stuff like from houses, like you can buy whatever you want. There's still a huge variety, I think. I borrowed some stuff from other servers, of course with permission. There's nothing I've stolen from anywhere. So you don't have to worry about that, but I don't think anyone cares anyway nowadays. Well, I do, but eh. Okay. And then we can just, alright. We can hop over to the mini pets, because these are pretty important on the server. So these are the auto pickup mini pets, the NPC version. You see the stats here, right? So they allow you to auto pick up items, and don't worry, do not deactivate that. Just use it. It will only pick up items that are literally useful. So and then there are these auto buff pets. Good. If you equip one of these, you'll see that I will receive every tier 1 buff, right? So these things just automatically buff you. And there are like different tiers available in the game. You can look into the guides to see further information about that. And since we're already speaking about the guides, to avoid complication, I'm gonna show you real quick how to access the guide in a quick manner. As you might have seen before, the default settings have the guide disabled, which is fine. You do not need to enable it here or do anything else. All you have to do is open a window, no matter what window. Every window that works with a question mark button here, and click it. This will bring up the whole guide, and the guide has, I think, 28 categories, which you can expand, obviously. Once you've expanded one category, you have here at the right side these little buttons, and these buttons are different pages for the category you're in right now. Okay? So if I click that, there you see next page, and the next page, and there you go. If you wanna head over to the next guide, just click it on the name down there or up there, and yeah, do the same. See? And if you want to go back to the main menu of the guide window, just click here and list again, and there you are. Yeah. You don't have to open a window and press that button in order to open it the entire time. You can just click on the help button down here too. Alright, so hopefully you guys will use that, and I really hope that it's being handy for you guys, as it was a lot of effort to get it complete in the way that it is right now, and I'm pretty satisfied with it, not gonna lie. Okay. Let's just buy random shit right now, so we look extra funny. Oops, I moved. There we go. Cool hat. Yeah, no, I'm gonna buy a suit. You don't need to buy amount, okay? In this box, there's amount. Just so you know. Then there's auras. Whatever. And there we go, we have an aura. And I can't, I have to. Alright. Then there's a skin merchant, and he will sell you tier 1 skins. Every skin set is available on this server in tier 1. That's the sword. Where's the shield? Must be the next page, right? I'm blind. I just use another shield in that case, or maybe it should be listed here somewhere. I really don't know. It's at least to be found somewhere, I assure you that. It's probably... It's somewhere. I just use that for now. There you see, the skins are there. There we can equip it. Bam, there we go. Alright, so there's... Yeah, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna accept this quest. Just click it, accept, begin quest, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Now, every quest subject should be listed on the map, and if you click the names, you should see the highlighted spots for them as well. So that's something, if you like don't know where mobs spawn, these positions should match up everywhere. Okay, so yeah, just go ahead then and kill your targets, and then you just obtain the greens if you want them. If you don't want them, they're pretty useful, not gonna lie. But once you hit level 20, you can open here the produce window and start crafting within here, this menu. There's like armors that build sets for you that are helping you with leveling. Yeah. There. As you see, different type of green gives me different kind of stat. Okay, now yes, I have my slimes already. Well, we obviously get new quests with every level up. You don't have to accept that quest either, this one, as once you progress further enough, this will disappear out of your quest list. But no worries if that happens, and you really want this quest for level 115 once you hit that level, because this is giving you the leveling pass that allows you to grind level. Just open the epic quest window down here, and this quest will be definitely listed here if it hasn't been cleared yet. Alright, let's go ahead and kill the mushrooms. There we go. And now all we do is we turn in the quest. And don't be afraid that this wasn't an instant level up. The quest rewards are persistent. So as you've seen, I've got like 30% now for this level, for this quest. And once you are level 90 or even 110, the quests will still give you a 20 to 30% per, per turn in, yeah. So no worries about that. It seems maybe slow at the beginning, but it really isn't. Like, the duration is really linear, really. Alright, So maybe we can find a treasure chest that we can open real quick. Another thing about the level 7 mystery vault is you will get the iron case out there, unlocking the rest of these inventory pages, right? Okay, once we found such a treasure chest, as we start to get into its radius, we can also see it on the minimap. As you can see here, this is a locked treasure chest. There too. And if we just go ahead and try to interact with it, this dialog will pop up. And now we have to determine what key we want to use. If we do not have a gold key or any other key, it would just say that I do not have the required key to open the box. So you have to carry these keys with you, obviously. And once you use them, see my reward inventory is currently empty, right? I'm gonna use the silver key. It opened and it said success, check your reward inventory. And here we go. I've got a 50% charm, a 20% charm, and a 50% hunting rent for farming, obviously. So yeah, it really isn't too hard to get on to get your hands on all items within Aquila. And these treasure chests really are the main source for that. There are other sources too, as stated in the guides. But if you really want to get your hands on them really fast, just go ahead, buy silver keys, buy gold keys, even bronze keys, and you should be fine. Alright, so at the NPC we're gonna check now for the price for the keys. Oh, yeah, it's 5 golds here, 1 gold for a silver key, and 500 silver for a bronze key. That's what it was, right? Yeah. You might think, sheesh, that's hella expensive, but it really isn't. Like, alone from quest rewards, you should get multiple golds, and every quest gives you 15 silvers as a reward. And once you hit level 100 or something like that, the monsters start to drop 17 silvers per kill. So that's not really too much, you know, for one key. And one key gives you really a good amount of items. So it's not like you have to go and like buy 5 at once. So yeah, you should be fine with using one for one time. Like, you should get enough, I think. Okay, so yeah, there's one last thing I want to show, and this is the stuff in the beauty shop. So let me just get there. So here we are. So in the beauty shop, oh damn, my mask. Well, it's not about the face, it's why I'm here. We have the latest haircuts here available, and they're all obviously working. And that's not all. We also have the latest hair colors. So if you want to go crazy with like gradient colors, I think that's a good hairstyle to showcase that. We're just gonna head over to deluxe type, type, I can't read, and choose whatever color you want. And as you can see, the gradient is applied properly with no issue whatsoever, and it works with every haircut, as we see. So yeah, that's about it, I think. I really hope you guys are excited. I know that I'm excited to see what you guys think about the server. And till then, thank you for being patient, and have a good one.